All right, and I really liked what you said there. Each x has its own y. Now remember, in each of these other ones, we both have no x's repeating. It makes it easier if you'll underline your x's. The ones that you underline twice, those are the ones that are repeating. What about this next one? The vertical line test?
Yeah.
So one of the easiest ways to do this, highlighter. Yep. And I will have a highlighter for y'all to use for your homework. That way you can highlight your vertical lines. All right, anybody need more time on this? Okay, I got one. You good? You got everything? Okay. Did you glue it in yet?
No.
Why not?
I wanted to write it first.
You could have just glued it in.
Taking it out. That's my
I'm
suggestion.
giving you.
All right, Jackson, you good? All right. So on these ones, we're looking for why it's not a function. So you're gonna have to give me a little bit more than the x's repeat.
The 8 and that first and the third and
There's 2 8s. So yes, your x's do repeat. But if I'm looking for proof, I know it's my 2 8s. What about the next one?
Why is the 1 go like that in the 12?
I don't know. Maybe it's just been the way it copied over or scanned in.
Oh,
Is it like that on y'all's too?
yes.
May have just been something when it came through on when we scanned it in. All right. Why is the mapping not a function?
Because there's 2 going. Because there's 2 going from
It's basically saying X is repeating twice and not.
The 2 is on both 10 and 20.
Okay, so we have 1x going to 2 y's or 2 different y's.
Yeah.
it can be like that.
So if I was to do this like on your homework, I would circle the 2 and then I'd circle both the 10 and the 20, saying that goes to both of them. Most people have finished it within 5 to 10 minutes. Homework. All right, what about the next one?
It's not a function because the line passes.
It goes through it twice.
Yep, and I can do this as many times as I want. If this goes through it more than once, it fails. All right, once you are done with this, please flip your page to page 146. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
So, number 1, is it a function?
Yes.
How come?
And no repeating x's.
So remember, underline, no repeating x's. What about my next one?
Yeah.
Yep.
Same reason?
Yes.
What is that y?
Yes.
Oh.
It's asking, is it a function?
Everybody uses
Oh.
What about this one?
No.
How come?
It fails when everyone does this.
Yeah, so remember, I can highlight this as many times. If I see more than 2 spaces on a line, that's a definite no. All right, what about your next one?
No, because the 13 repeat.
Sorry, technical difficulties. So, no, because why?
Oh, the 13 repeat.
Oh, okay. All right, what about number 5?
Yeah.
How come?
Because every number has its each one. Like,
Actually, no, yeah, it's just my fault. That is it.
because one X doesn't have two lines.
All right, so remember, if you're not sure what you can do, you can actually map these out. -1 goes to where?
1,
Where does 0 go to?
0,
What about +1?
1.
So do any of your x's repeat?
No.
No, so that means it is a function. What about number 6?
Yes.
How do you know?
It passes the line test. The vertical line test.
Remember, check this in a couple different places. If your stuff is always the same, where it's only that one little section that hits, it's a yes. Yeah, I told you this goes quick.
The rest of the time's for homework. Right?
Yep. All right, what about the last one?
No.
How do you know?
Yeah, this one is, yeah.
36. Is there any other thing that repeats? 25. All right, and I'm going to make this where you can see all of it. There you go. And you're done.